My had internet issues.
Okay, okay, okay. I'll just repeat myself. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So we this is what everything is that this is the proof. So the proof is CM is the median, right? So this means like this is the entire line. So basically this is half, right? So
Yes.
this AM is basically equals to MB. Yes,
Yes.
AM and MB because it's a median
Half.
and equals to half of AB, right? Like this.
Yes.
So this is the first equation, and similarly for this one, this is equals to this, right? And
Yes.
this is equals to half. So first and second we got it. Okay. Now this is given that this triangle is similar to this triangle, right? If these two triangles are similar, that means AB divided by PQ, right? BC divided by QR, right? And AC divided by PR.
PR.
Okay, why? And you know, if this is why corresponding sides of similar triangle are proportional, you know that, right? So they are similar, so that's why their corresponding sides are in proportion.
Proportional.
Yes. So from first and second, we got to know that 2 AM, right? Over here, so what we got this, right? That AB divided by PQ is equals to CA divided by RP. Okay, clear?
Yes.
So now instead of AB, I can write 2 AM.
Yes.
And see, most of the students get confused that, ma'am, why only AM? Why not BM? See, we have to prove this triangle. So, of course, we will be taking the side of this triangle only, right? So, I wrote here 2 AM and over here 2 PN. Instead of writing PQ, I wrote 2 PN.
PN.
Clear? So, it's equals to
Yes.
CA upon RP. From first and second, this happened. So, because of this, what I got to know that 2 and 2 got cancelled over here.
Yes.
So, AM divided by Pn is equals to Ca divided by Rp. This is the third equation. Okay. As you know that this triangle is too similar to this triangle. So that means angle A is equals to angle P because corresponding angle of similar triangles are
Equal.
equal. Yes. And then in triangle this and this angle A is equals to angle P, right? From 4. And also AM divided by this and Ca divided by Rp from 3. This is equal, right?
Yes.
So hence by SAS criteria, okay, you can say that this triangle is equal. Why? You will be like, ma'am, why over here? Where are two sides? See, one side is this, and other
Yes.
side is this, and one is angle. So SAS criteria, this triangle is similar to this triangle. Clear?
Yes, teacher.
So you will quickly note it down. In book they have given though, but why I am asking you to write it down because they have not given in detailed form. They have just done the shortcuts in book, right?
Yes. Yes.
So we need to understand how it's happened. It's not about copying and pasting. So it's about like this. So you will first draw the diagram and like this.
Okay, teacher. Yes. Yes, teacher, done. Yes, teacher, done.
Okay. Now let's just start with the exercise. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
So over here, this is the exercise. So first of all, I hope you can say it in one go. Can you say?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So over here, question number 1. Okay. Exercise 6.2, question number 1, question number 2, the first part, second part, third part, right? And then third question, fourth question, fifth question, sixth question, seventh question, eighth question, and ninth question. So we have 9 questions. Okay. Among these, this, 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 and this ninth question, they are important. So if you have your book, you can mark it over there, or if you want to write it in your notebook when you are starting exam exercise. See, as I told you, if I am giving you the important question, then it doesn't mean that these are the only questions which you have to do. You have to do everything, but yeah, you need to focus more on this because probability is higher as compared to other question. But nobody know what your examiner will be asking, right?
Yes, yes, teacher.
So you'll just kindly you will note it down and then we'll start with question number 1.
Yes, teacher. Done.
Okay. So let's just start with question number 1. Question number 1 is this, that D is in the figure, it is given D is parallel to BC, right? You have to BC, you have to find EC, right? This one. Okay, so let's just start. It is given that what is given that D is parallel to this, hence this will be this because you know the parallel, so this will be proportional to this. Everything you know, AD divided by DB and AE divided by EC, right? I hope you can find it out. Right over
Yes,
here,
teacher.
you have to find
Yes.
EC, so you just have to put the value, and one value is missing. So that one value you can find it out, right?
Yes.
So quickly do it. First, write it down like this, okay? And instead of writing all the theorem, you can write first theorem, second theorem as like this, and then you will write this, putting the values, and you will get the answer.
Okay, teacher. Yes, teacher, done.
Okay, so you got 2 centimeter.
Yes, teacher.
Now let's just do the next one. It is 6.2. Okay, second part. Question number 1, second part. So over here again, D is parallel to this, right? You have to find AD. So can you find AD?
Yes, teacher.
Oh, quickly do it. Same, right?
Yes. Yes, teacher, done.
Okay. So you got this 2.4.
I got 24 centimeter.
Wait. What you did? Everything is
Mm,
given. Okay. So I'll just tell you how you have to do it and you'll check accordingly. Okay.
okay, teacher.
So over here, because it's a decimal one, so maybe some calculation error. Okay. So for over here, you'll just put the value, right? So now what you are going to do, you are going to do cross multiplication. This one will go here and this will come here, right? So it is
Mm,
1.8 multiplied by 7.2. So remember one thing, whatever value you have to find, you have to make that person alone. Okay. So over here, AD 5.4 is with AD, so he will come down. Okay. Now,
yes.
first thing is that simple calculation we everyone know, but the point part creates a problem. So over here, so what whenever, for example, if it is 7.2 divided by 2, right? So over here you have one decimal. So how you are going to write it? You are going to write 72 divided by 2 multiply by 10. Okay, but
I
for
uh,
example, like
I
this,
found a mistake.
you found. Okay, so
Yeah.
over here, see, over here you have 2 decibels. So it will like 100, 10 multiplied by
Yes.
10. And over here it will be 10. So first of all, you will multiply them, or you can just cancel out these two, right? So over here, but first you will multiply them, you will then divide it, and after that, you'll, or what you can do, you can just multiply these two and these two, then you can divide. Okay, so you
Okay.
found, you got the mistake, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so corrected. Then we'll start with next.
Okay, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now the next is this question number 2. E and F are the points of this and this, right? So over here, everything is given. Okay, first is this, right? PE, this and this and this and this. Okay, so first of all, state whether this is parallel to this or not. Okay, first case is this. In every cases, you have to do this. Okay, so now this is very important. First part will do, and other part I think you can do it. Okay,
Okay, teacher.
so what is this? If line divides any two sides of the triangle in the same ratio, then the lines are parallel to third side. This you know, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
in order to prove that EF is parallel to this one, okay, we have to prove that PE divided by EQ, PF, they both are equal. Only then you can say if these are equal, then yes. So let's just say you have all the values. Okay. So PE and EQ, what is 3.9 and 3, right?
Yes.
And PF and FR, it is 3.6 and 2.4. Once you will solve it, you will get 39 multiplied by 10. So that is 30, right?
Yes.
And over here, it will be 36 and 24. Why? Because over here, you will multiply 10, right? And
Mm,
down also you will multiply 10, right?
yes.
So they both be cancelled. So 36 divided by 24, right? So over
Mm,
here you what you got 13.10 and over here you got 3 divided by 2, right?
yes.
Okay. So this means LHS is not equal to RHS, therefore they are not parallel. Clear?
Yes,
In
teacher.
case if you got the answer, for example, here also you are getting 3 divided by 2. So you can say they are equal.
What?
So
So they are
LHS
parallel.
is equal to that means they are parallel. So you'll quickly write it down and then you will do the second part. Okay, wait.
Yes, teacher, done.
Okay. Now the second one you will do on your own. Okay.
Yes, teacher, done.
Okay. You got that they are parallel?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, third one.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Robin. I hope you got it like this.
Yes, teacher. 9 by 55.
Yes. Okay. Now coming to question number third. Okay. In this figure, LM is parallel to CB. Okay. Your LM is parallel to CB. Clear? This one. Right? And LN, this LN is parallel to CD. Okay. You have to prove that AM is divided by AB. Okay. Is equals to AN divided by AB. AN divided by AB. Clear? So given is this, you have to prove this. So you have two triangles. Okay, one is your ABC and one is your ACD. So in this triangle, this LN is parallel to this. So that means AL divided by LC is equals to AM divided by MB, right? Yes, Robin. Can you hear me? Robin.
Hello.
Yes, Robin. Can you hear me?
Yes, teacher. My
I
Wi-Fi.
think network issues, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, not an issue. Okay. So basically we have two triangles. One is your ADC and one is your ABC, right? This and this triangle. Okay. So over here, you know that this line is parallel to this line. So that means AM divided by MB is equals to AL divided by LC, right?
Yes,
And
teacher.
in this triangle, this line is parallel to this line. So that means AL is divided by LC and AN divided by NB. They are equal. So over here, what you are getting that AL, LC and AL, LC, they are common. So that means AM divided by MB and AN divided by ND, they are equal. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. So over here, AM divided by AN, these are equal. So you will cross multiply them. Okay? So you will get this, right? Now you
Yes,
have to
teacher.
add 1 on both sides. You will add 1. So by adding 1, you will get AB divided by AD divided by AN, this. Okay. Once you do this, yes, ma'am, they are equal. AM divided by AB, right? And AN divided by AD. Clear? So they are equal. Got it?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So I'll quickly write it.
Yes, teacher, done. Yes, teacher, done.
Okay, Robin. So now coming to question number 4. In the figure, this is given, right, that DE is parallel to this one. DE is parallel to AC. Okay. And DF is parallel to A. You have to prove that BF divided by BF divided by FE is equals to BE divided by EC. Okay. So let's just see. So this is given. You have to prove this. Priyanshu, okay. So to prove BF divided by this, you have to do. So in this triangle ABC, this one, ABC, bigger one. Okay. And AEB, AEB, this one. Okay. Over here, this is parallel. So because of this equation and this equation, right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. After this, from first and second, you can see, ma'am, over here, you can see these are equal, right? So over here, what you are getting, that BE is equals to EC. So that means BF is equals to FE, right? So, ma'am,
Yes.
hence, clear? Over here, what was the only trick? You have to choose the triangle, right? The
Yes.
only trick was choosing a triangle. Once you got the correct triangle, you can quickly do it. Okay, so quickly do it.
Yes, teacher, done.
Okay, done.
Yes, teacher, done.
Okay. So rest of the question, this one, this question. Okay. You will try it. Okay. Fifth one.